Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is start out by moisturizing, and I've been obsessed with this face cream by Skin Tansy. Girl, this thing you have to try because once you apply it, it's just really moisturizing and refreshing, and all the amazing ingredients that it has, they're really amazing and good for your skin. I promise you, you're going to love it. So now to my foundation. You guys know that I love my Jane Iredale foundation, which it has a lot of skincare benefits. I have a full review on this. I will link you guys down below. I'm gonna conceal with this collab concealer. It's been one of my go-tos lately, and then just dab away with my beauty blender. So now I'm going to contour with the Bye Bye Under Eye in Deep. It is a bit orange, so it is good for bronzing. I don't think for contouring, but I made it work. So it was this time when I'm like, okay, it's too orange, you know, but I made it work. So now for the palette that I'm using, it is by Bebella Cosmetics. It is so pigmented, you guys. It's the Maroon Mayhem palette. I freaking love this palette because the colors just blend really well and they don't have any fallout. I mean, they have a little bit, not that much, but they blend so good and they're so pigmented, you guys. And if you have been following me on the Snap, then you guys know that I have moved. So comment down below, what am I sitting on? It's been hard over here, so let me know if you know. Comment down below. Just kidding. But yeah, comment down below, what am I sitting on? So I just love the way that this looks. And by the way, if I didn't mention already, but this look was inspired by the stupid air turned on by my girl Karina. Yes, OMG lashes, go follow her. All her videos are amazing. Okay, I'm gonna shut up because this air is so loud. Okay, so the fan is not that loud, so it's okay. I love to smoke it out. You guys know that I love to smoke out my bottom lash line. And Karina had like an iridescent shadow on her lid, so I'm gonna do that. Just pack it on. Her looks are amazing, you guys. They just remind me of how I used to be. Like, all my videos were colorful and fun. I need to bring that all back, you know. I need to bring the old me back. And this mascara, you know, I started using it because I moved out and I didn't have any mascara, so I'm like, okay, what the heck am I gonna use? And I found this in one of my bags. So these lashes are by Beauty Creations in Luster. They are amazing. I love it. They're 3D and they just look so sexy, you guys. This is like a get ready with me because I'm all over the place, but it's okay. You know, it's like a one-on-one talk with you guys. Oh, the fan turned off, thank God. So this bronzer by Thrive Cosmetics, it's amazing. I love the way that it just gives me this beautiful bronze effect. Now this highlighter, oh, this highlighter is a must-have, you guys. It's by the Bomb Cosmetics. They create the most amazing products. You just have to be really careful with this highlighter because it's so pigmented. Work fast with it because it dries, and I love to use a beauty blender. Why does it sound bad? A beauty blender to make it look natural. So now for my lips, I am using this Too Faced lip gloss because literally that was the only thing I had packed in a bag. So this is one of the products that I haven't used, and I was like, hey, it works well, you know. I didn't want to use a nude because I always use nude, but this one, it's good. There you guys have it. I hope you guys like it. Go show Karina some love. OMG lashes. I will link you guys down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And by the way, I'm gonna start vlogging again because girl, I have so much energy pumped in me. So see you guys later. Bye bye.